Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We have finally made it to wash day. So it's been 2 weeks since I washed my hair, 1 week since I did the refresher with my Q redo, and now I'm going to show you my wash day routine from beginning to end, featuring all of my favorite wash day products. So let's get to it, shall we? Alright, hey, I'm back, y'all. So as you can see, I have my hair in 4 sections. I work one section at a time when I'm washing my hair. I'm going to start off by wetting one section. Then I'm going to go in with a quarter-sized amount of the Main Choice Detangling Hydration Shampoo. This product is holy grail for me. I make sure to massage that into my scalp first, and then down the length of my hair. If you're looking for a way to cut down on your detangling time, you need to check out this shampoo. You can detangle during the washing process, which sounds weird, but y'all see. Next, I'm going to thoroughly rinse out that section, followed by wringing out the hair. Then I apply a good amount of deep conditioner. I do not use regular conditioner in my wash day process. I go straight in with the deep conditioner. I'm using the MIELLE Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask today. Once I distribute that evenly throughout the section, I make sure to coat the ends and twist that section up, then I put a clip in it. After that, I go ahead and repeat those steps for the rest of the 3 sections. Fun fact about deep conditioner or conditioner: please do not put conditioner on your scalp, y'all. That is not what it's for. When I say I really love this shampoo, I mean I really mean that. It's such a great shampoo. First, it lasts me for about 4 or 5 months because I only have to use a little bit of it and it lathers so well without having to put excessive product on your hair. And then it makes it so easy to detangle your hair. Just look how easy it is for me to do that with my fingers. This is really like an A+ product. Also, at this point I had to close my eyes because y'all, I really hate stuff being in my eyes, especially shampoo and stuff, so y'all see me pop down and wipe my face off real quick because I cannot do it. So now my hair is washed. I don't rinse out that deep conditioner. I just take out the clips and then put on a conditioning cap. Then I take my bonnet hood hat and attach it to my blow dryer. The heat from the cap helps open my hair shafts so that the moisture and conditioner can get in there. I set a timer for 10 minutes, then I let the dryer do its job. Alright, so as I just showed you, I sat under my hooded dryer for 10 minutes and I let my deep conditioner do what it's supposed to do, which is deep condition, and I'm going to show you what it should look like if you have 4C hair. especially low porosity hair. What you want to look for to see if your deep conditioner worked is that your hair should be shrunken down to its original size. So here's the big reveal. So as you can see, my hair is shrunken down to about 1/4 of the size it was before I started washing it. That's good. That means that the hair shafts have opened up and accepted the moisture in. And so now I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair with some cold water, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put on my Turby Twist hair wrap. This was a gift to me from my sister's grandmother, and I love this thing. I use it all the time because it's not like heavy like a towel, so I can just put it on my hair. I like to let my hair dry. I don't know if I would call it dry. I like to let my hair at least dry about 20%, so take out all that extra moisture before I go into my blow dry and stretch portion of my wash day. So I'm going to take about 20 minutes to sit here and watch some YouTube videos, and I'll be back to you. Alright y'all, I'm back again. So as you can see, my hair is in 4 sections again. I'm going to spray the first section with leave-in conditioner, distributing from root to end, making sure to get those ends, y'all. So then I'm going to part that section into a smaller section, clipping the rest of the hair away. I apply oil or hair butter to that section, making sure to coat those ends again. I spray on my blow dry spray, smoothing it through the sections. Again, get those ends, y'all. Protect those ends at all costs. So I comb through that section with my detangling brush for the first time, making sure it's nice and smooth. Then I stretch that section out and start with the blow dryer. The blow dryer is on medium or high heat with low intensity. This method is called the tension method, instead of combing through while blow drying. Just the tension plus the heat equals a good stretch. Then I go through it with my detangling brush one more time. This is completely optional, y'all. I just do that to show y'all like it's actually straight. You can see how I didn't need to detangle again. The shampoo makes it so easy. I only have to detangle during the wash process and then right before I stretch it to blow dry it. The key to natural hair is low manipulation. You use good products so you don't need to detangle it multiple times. And then of course, I repeat this process again for all 4 sections. So as you guys can see, I finished blowing out my hair, which is the last step of my wash day before I go ahead and do a twist out, just like the one I showed in my last video of me refreshing my hair with my Q-Redo. The reason why I blow dry my hair as opposed to style it while it's wet is because I have low porosity 4C hair, and my 4C hair texture decides to create like knots, or like they're called 2-strand knots, and they're basically break your hair like really easily, so it's really hard to detangle it. And also blow drying my hair helps seal in moisture as well, so that my hair is a lot softer when it's blow dried than when I let it dry wet. So these are reasons why I choose to blow dry my hair. Other people may not do that, but this is what I choose to do. It really helped change my hair retention rate, and it also helped change how long it takes for me to do a wash day. So this is me. Thank you guys for sticking with me through this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel for more content. I think my next tier video, I'll show you guys how to do the flat twist out. But for now, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.